Okay, here are two brand new Lennox ML13KC units. Here's this one. Currently not running. This unit is a 2-ton from 2025. Nice. And this unit, I believe, has a LG scroll compressor. And this unit, I believe, has R454B refrigerant. Nice. This is another E2L unit. Nice. And then here's this one. This one has a little bit of snow on it. This one's a 2-ton from 2025, same as that one there. And yeah, I believe these have LG scroll compressors. But yeah, these two units are located at the complex here in Iowa State. I filmed that lots of times. Currently, none of these are running right now. But yeah, just like a quick video of these two units. Okay, really quickly, here's one more brand new Lennox ML unit. Currently not running. This one's a 2-ton from 2025. LG scroll compressor, pretty sure. Yeah, this unit is at a different lot of units. The other two Lennoxes were all the way over there. And that lot all the way over there. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.